Hello, my name is Marcelo and this is my partner David.
Hello, we're going to explain our STEM project. And the topic of the STEM is neurons, part of the brain and how it works, and reactions that happen on these parts. And well, that's almost everything.
The materials for this STEM project will include 6 LED light bulbs of any color, 6 switches to go with these light bulbs, 6 meters of copper wire, and a typical and common shoebox.
Well, what we're going to do is this switch has an on and off side, so it has two cables, one positive, one negative. We're gonna cut some part of the copper cable. We are going to join it with this, put it here, and the light bulb will be here. So when we join the cable to this, and then we join it to a source of energy, at the moment that we put it on, it will be lighted up. So it will become like, and what are we doing this? Because here we will put an image of the brain divided in the sections of the brain, but without the name. And below it will be sections of the name, the names, but we wouldn't see here. So when we put it on, the function of the light bulb will be that it will reveal the name of the part of the brain, and we will see if our question is correct or incorrect. And well, that's basically our STEM project. Thank you.
In the brain occur many reactions, but uh, we are going to use the acetylcholinesterase reaction. In this reaction, the reactives are in nitrogen and oxygen plus water, and the products are oxygen and HNO, oxygen. Um, this reaction have the function to process the synapses because these clean the neurotransmitters, and with this form can occur another synapses after. Uh, our work is also a representation of the brain because the box is a brain and have the illustration of this in front. Also, the box have buttons and lights. These represent the parts of the brain, and the circuits, cables, and the energy represent the neurons, and the synapses that occur when the circuit is complete. When the neurons or cables are working, the, the light is turned on and represent the part of the brain that is working.
Well, hello. My personal opinion about the STEM is that we're making a nice project and we're explaining a lot of the brain process that happened there with this project, like with the questions and the answers, with the light bulb turning on and off. It will be an easier and fun way to learn about the brain systems, so the kids can interact and learn more about what happens on the brain. Thank you.
Well, in my opinion, I think this project is going to be something of really good use because it's going to help us understand the many different parts that our brain has, like the frontal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the other parts it has. Because we don't usually get to understand how our brains are are composed, and this could be a really great opportunity to get a more complicated perspective of how our brain is composed.
Well, I think this project is very interesting because it develops our creativity and our intelligence, and with this we help others to learn these things in a more easily way and a more creativity way. So it's a very good project. Thank you.
I think that the team is working very good and the project have many advances. Also, I think that the, the STEM is very important because the work of the brain um, have the capacity of inspire and start the curiosity in the kids in the worlds of science and medicine.
Well, I think that this topic is very important because every kid must know how his body works, and I think that this is a very interesting topic because it is like fundamental for us to know how we work, how we are, and what we are. I think that this STEM is going to be very interesting. So yeah, we are trying our best. Thanks.